Lily was a kind and curious girl. She was 10 years old and loved learning new things. Every evening, Lily sat near her window and read English storybooks. She wanted to speak English confidently one day. Lily lived in a small house near a quiet street. At the end of that street, there was an old garden. People said the garden was empty, but Lily felt it was special. One sunny afternoon, Lily decided to walk to the garden. She carried her notebook and a pen. She wanted to write new English words she learned that day. When Lily entered the garden, she heard a soft sound. Meow. Lily stopped walking. She looked around and saw a gray cat sitting under a tree. The cat had green eyes and a long tail. "Hello, little cat," Lily said softly. Suddenly, the cat spoke. "Hello, Lily." Lily's eyes opened wide. You can talk?" she asked. "Yes," the cat replied calmly. "My name is Milo." Lily could not believe it. She rubbed her eyes. "This is not a dream, right?" Lily asked. Milo smiled. "No, it is real, and I talk only to people who love learning." Lily felt happy and excited. "That's amazing. I love learning English," she said. Milo nodded. "I know. That's why I chose you." They sat together under the tree. The garden was quiet and peaceful. "Can you help me learn English?" Lily asked politely. "Of course," Milo said. "But first, I want to tell you a story." Lily smiled and listened carefully. Milo said, "Once I was a normal cat, but I helped a teacher who loved helping